So this is my apartment. Starting off, this is the entry area right here. I always keep a pair of slides by the door. That's my fanny. This is where I keep my mask. I do every time I come inside, I spray my mask. Those are clean gloves, never worn. I have a mirror here. I think I got that mirror. It's like a cheap mirror from like Walmart or something, for like $10 or whatever. I just check myself before I leave. That's my closet. No need to go in there too much. I done this video maybe like 50 million times, so this is just what it's gonna be this time. So coming over here, this is a picture I have. I bought that picture from, I believe, Burlington or Ross, I believe, maybe like 2 years ago. And this is my entertainment, my shelving unit, a cute orchid vase, a couple vases, and collapsible bins, things like that, you know. I think that television's like a 40 or something like that, not big at all. I don't really care about the TVs and stuff like that. This mirror, I love this mirror. This mirror I got from Ross, so it's one of my favorite mirrors. I love this mirror. Take a lot of my selfies in here, things like that. And this is my table, my living room table. A lot of collectibles over here, a lot of things from Ross, candles and things like that. Those two decorative cups, or whatever you call them, they came from Burlington, I believe. That is an arrangement I made 2 years ago. The rug I got from Ross, and these are my pillows on my love seat. This throw I got from Walmart. Those pillows are random pillows I've just gotten from Ross mainly, and I think like Ross and I forgot where else. Mainly Ross. I mainly shop at Ross, Walmart, Burlington, things like that, Marshalls, places like that, like affordable places. This is my couch. Another throw. I love throws. This is a lamp, floor lamp I got from Walmart. And a collapsible bin. I have more throws in there. Whatever. So I decorated the walls with those 6. It was actually, those are 2 different sets. I just mixed and matched. I got those from I got those from Ross, excuse me. And I got the mirror as well from Ross. So like I said, I get a lot of things from Ross. And to give you a different look at it, this is another look at it. Different angle. Okay. Another glance. When you first come in, this is what you see right here. I guess I can touch briefly on my patio. It's not really finished yet, but it's like a pineapple thing. I'm gonna do a pineapple theme. So not really fully done, but I like the view. View is dope. My grill, dream catcher. Like I said, my theme is gonna be pineapple, so it's not fully done yet. And I'm gonna get that together soon. That's my next project. Finishing up my patio. But I do love those at night. Like, these patio lights are so cute. Like, I light it up and stuff, so it's a whole vibe sometimes. And that's my storage as well. Yeah, I got the furniture from Walmart.com. Do a lot of online shopping. I got the pillows from Amazon. I just filled them up, and yeah, that's it. And the rug also is dirty due to, this has been like long overdue. This video, I was supposed to put this video out maybe like 2 months ago, but I moved here like about 3 months ago. But this rug, dirty of course, but that came from Amazon. Moving on. So back in here, if y'all hear anything, that's my AC coming on. It was a little hot earlier. Okay, so that's my AC going on. So we're gonna move on to the dining area. That's pretty much my dining area right there. I got that set, that dining room set from, where did I get that from? I think Walmart, I believe, Walmart.com. The wall decor came from Ross. So it just seems like I just go to a whole bunch of Ross and just rack up. But I'm addicted to them. And I got the orchid, cute little orchid. I forgot where I got that from. But I thought it was a nice touch to my dining room area. This is my desk area. And this is where I do some of my editing and things like that. Table. But this is my little bar area. That bar stool I got from like Goodwill or something. I just spray painted it. And these are like a little, it's like my kitchen is, first off, is a little unicorn theme. So I got little stuff up here. My candle went out. Gumball machine, my wax warmer, flower arrangement, candle, and my cute little K. I got this K from Amazon. It's so cute. So it glows, it's pink. I don't know if you can really tell, but, and this is my kitchen, my liquor, wine, appliances, my utensils and stuff. And oh, I really like my utensils. These are like really cute. I like that, the iridescent type of look. It's really cute, kind of cute, whatever. Moving on. Got a little, you know, picture of Bon Appetit. And my stove, it's a gas stove. It's one of my first times having a gas stove. Still trying to get used to it. Yeah, still trying to get used to it. It's a long story. Blenders, the top half of that blender is in the fridge. I made some mixed drinks the other day. My sage, and that is it. So this is my bathroom. I have my Listerine and my lotion. I made those little things from Dollar Tree. I just put like the rhinestones on it and just add a little flair to it for my Q-tips and my cotton balls. And toothbrush, keep that behind my door. Little knickknacks in there. And that's my toilet. That is tissue stand and my curtain. Shower curtain, I got that from Ross as well. That organizer I received from Amazon. This is a random picture I got from somewhere, I forgot, and I have those just for decoration. I actually use this for my hands, so. Behind the door, I have my robe. And in here, I have my full-size washer and dryer, laundry basket, and laundry and cleaning supplies. All right, so this is my glam room. You can start here. That is the area I actually have all of my nail supplies. I'm thinking about getting like a table and like chairs, things like that to do nails, practice nails and do people's nails. This is some of my palettes I have, and organizers, and my mannequin head, and I practice makeup and things like that. Softbox lights and my ring light. All right, and this is my vanity area. I'm gonna actually come back in here in just a bit once I'm done with this. I actually use it. It's just, it looks used. It's dirty. So ignore all that. Those pictures I got from Burlington. The Kiara sign I actually made myself. And those random next to my mirror, those randoms I got from Dollar Tree. It's $1. One of the lights came off on my DIY vanity mirror, so that's the reason why those are not glowing. But I'll get those fixed and ready to go. This is my vanity, like I said, DIY little project I did. And little wall, cute decorative wall. This is the wall I have. That's my tripod, mannequin, and I do a lot of wigs and stuff like that. So this is this room. That's the closet right there. And this is also my chandelier. But that's a closet right there. So I'm not gonna go in there, but yeah. This is another entryway to my patio, which is pretty cool, cute. So this is another look at my glam room. Sorry for the lighting, y'all. Like, I don't really have good lighting in my apartment, but I'm trying to make it work. Trying to make it do what it do. And that's it. This is my bedroom. Just a little overview, little scan of my bedroom or whatever. This is my bedroom. This is my bedroom. That's my mirror right there. Another mirror. I love those mirrors. And purses, things like that. I actually spray painted my furniture and stuff. So I just changed the handles and everything. Changed those out. And it was actually originally tan, so I changed that. The bedding, all these pillows and stuff came from random places, like, you know, Ross, and it's like online stores. I got some from AliExpress and Amazon, and just random places. And then the actual comforter set came from Ross. So my bed, I got the headboard from Walmart.com, and the actual frame I got from, I think, Amazon. Both were very inexpensive. I think the total bed was like $100. So the backboard was maybe, I want to say, $40 or $50, and then the actual frame and everything was like $30 or so, something like that. So it was less than $100, excuse me. That's like a random little. I used it as a TV stand / storage. That was from Amazon for like $28. And yeah, this is it. Decor on the walls came from Ross and Burlington. And yeah, that's it for my room. So this is my room. That's an old chair I received from one of my aunt's friends, and I just always kept it. It's like an old school chair or whatever, but I always kept it. Put a little flare on it, put a little throw on it, and kept it moving. So that's that. So that is that. You see my apartment 2020. Bye, y'all.